Aleeza Nadeem, and now we're back with a new video of the exercise. So in this video, I will try some new exercises that my mother will also do with me, and she will also do some new exercises, and I hope that you guys will also do some new exercises. So further wasting water, let's just start with our first exercise. In this, what you have to do, you have to start with your right leg. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to like 1, 2, 3, 4. In a speed you have to do this. This way your stamina will be increased. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll do the same thing with our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do the same thing backwards with the same legs, like the same thing that we have done forward. You have to do the backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can also do one thing that you can do with both of the legs. Like if over here I'm doing with a single leg first and then double, but you can do it together also. Okay, now we'll do the same thing with our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now as we have done backwards, so now we'll do the sideways, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now we are done with our first exercise. So now we're moving towards the. If you are thinking that a lot of power has been taken, so you can also take. So you can also do in between the breathing exercise. So let's start. Like this. Inhale and exhale. Okay. So now let's get started with our second exercise. So this let's get started. Okay, like this. First you have to make like this, a protect sign, and then you have to open like 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this exercise is very good for your shoulder if your shoulders are jammed because of the winter, so they will become free, or they will become open, free, and you will get relaxed from this. Okay, so after now we have done the 2 exercises, so now we'll move towards some self-defense techniques. So as I told you that now we are moving towards the self-defense technique. So the self-defense technique that the first self-defense technique that we are going to try is that if somebody has gripped you from a hand. So in this you guys must be thinking that this technique we have done before, that if somebody grips, so what you do. But we will do the same technique, same self-defense today, but with a new technique. Okay, if somebody will like you, so that with the leg that is back, you have to hit like this. Not this part of your knees. So you have to hit this part of the knees of a person. If somebody has gripped you like this. I'm not doing right now, but you at that time you have to do with the whole pressure. So you can also do with the other hand also. If somebody is gripping you with the other hand, so with the like this part of the knee will be get hit by this part of your leg. Okay, so the first self-defense technique is done. So now we're moving towards the second. So the second is of the neck with the new technique. You guys must be thinking that how we can just open our neck so much, but if you'll practice these exercises, so this way your legs will be get open, stretched. So this way your legs will be get open and you can easily self-defense of yourself. So if somebody is grip you with your neck, yes. So you have to hit the head of the person. Again you have to do. Okay. So now we have done with the self-defense technique. So now we're moving towards the 5th exercise. Okay, so now let's get started with the exercise. Okay, now we're doing the 5th exercise. So what you have to do, you have to open your legs like this. Okay, so now you have to go to the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now towards the right hand side, and you have to not fold your knees, you have to keep your knees straight. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you have to get up and I'll get up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have to get up. Okay, so over here the fifth exercise has been completed. So now we will be moving towards the sixth exercise. So the sixth exercise is that you have to bring your right leg forward and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we'll change the leg and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we're done. So now we'll be moving towards the seventh exercise. Okay, so the seventh exercise is that you have to stay straight and you have to open your right leg like this. First this, lower, middle and up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, with the other leg. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're done with our 7 exercise. So now we're moving towards the 8. That is the final exercise. So what you have to do, you have to get backward because I have to take long steps. So for this I will just show you. Okay. Now you have to come. You have to take long steps and you have to stretch your foot and you have to come up till the middle part. 1. You have to take long steps. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have done today 8 exercises and some self-defense technique. Hope you guys enjoyed all over the video. I've enjoyed all the exercises and thank you guys for watching. Give this video and all my previous video maximum amount of likes, and that's it for today. Talk to you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.